What if every time you sneezed you teleported? 1. Waking up feels normal until a sudden sneeze launches the body into a random location. 1 second in bed, the next in a stranger's bathtub. Another sneeze follows, and now the setting is a wedding altar. 2. Cold season becomes a nightmare as every sneeze triggers teleportation. A single sneeze sends someone to the top of Mount Everest. Rolling over in bed stirs up dust, leading to an unexpected trip to a haunted house. Eating food becomes impossible, mid-bite, and the pizza is in one country while the eater is in another. 3. Chaos spreads as people start using sneezes as an escape tool. Some carry pepper spray, not for safety, but to trigger sneezing and teleport out of awkward situations. Exams become pointless when students sneeze their way to Hawaii. Traffic jams are no longer a problem when a single sneeze lands people directly in their workplace. 4. Governments scramble to respond. NASA begins studying sneezing as a potential method for space travel. Airports become obsolete as travelers rely on allergies instead. Companies rush to sell expensive sneeze-proof suits. 5. The risks increase. A sneeze during a job interview results in teleportation into a lion's cage. Sneezing in the bathroom leads to an unexpected live TV appearance. A marriage proposal turns into an interplanetary disaster when a sneeze sends someone straight to Mars. 6. Fear of sneezing takes over society. People try to hold in sneezes, causing near explosions. Scientists invent anti-sneeze helmets, but they come with $1 million price tag. "Bless you" is no longer a kind phrase. It's a warning of potential disaster. A world where sneezing equals teleportation would be pure chaos. The choice becomes clear: risk unpredictable travel or live inside a sneeze-proof bubble forever.